testing the new installation of the diesel heater. And I got it plugged into this little power source here. And what's it show? It's doing 33 watts it's taking. And I just got it plugged into the cigarette lighter there. Kind of just for testing purposes. And it shows the heater's working. Here's my tank. It's slowing down and going to normal. Here's my fuel filter to the left and then the pump to the right. You hear a click. Every 1.7 milliseconds, I guess, it clicks, pumps. Now it's settling down and kicking out really hot air. And it's a hot day too, I'm just testing it. So it's working good. I'll have to go under the bus, under the shuttle bus, just to see how things are going, if it ain't leaking and all that. Let's just hurry up and get under there. Here's the exhaust. You can hear it coming out of there. Ouch, it's hot. And yeah, see, I can get my finger very close to it right there, as you can see. And it's only barely warm. Let me get my finger. Yeah, see, I got my finger very close to it, and it's not even warm really, so I'm not concerned about my wood getting too hot or something and getting on fire or something. It's just not hot enough. I got a little heat shield between there. I call it a heat shield. It's a little piece of metal right here. And the air intake is right, the black flexible hose is right here for the air intake. I've got a little muffler that goes in the end of this, believe it or not, but I didn't install it yet. I'll clamp this down better so it don't move, and I'll clamp that down. So it looks pretty good. That's it.